Sawadee ka! Hi everyone! Today let's make Nam Jim seafood or Thai spicy dipping sauce. Before we proceed, make sure to give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Alright! This seafood dipping sauce recipe is for 2 to 3 persons. Full quantity details will be listed in my description box below. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have garlic, coriander, chilies, lime, fish sauce, and palm sugar. So for my garlic, I'm slicing this into smaller pieces so they will have easier time in the blender. For the coriander, it's so aromatic. I'm using both the leaves and the roots. In Nam Jim seafood, we usually use the green and the red chilies, but the green one is a lot milder than the red. So if you want it to be less spicy, use more of the green. The red one really give it a nice color, so I'm also adding it in. Lime for that fresh tang. You can either choose an electric blender like this one or pestle and mortar. But whichever you choose, make sure that your lime juice goes in last after everything is well blended. Your lime juice needs to be the last step because the color may change if you blend it with the rest. We put everything in, excluding the lime juice. Palm sugar. Get everything in there. Fish sauce, a staple ingredient in Thai cuisine, and our chilies. Plain water to make this go easier. After blending, this is what we'll get. And then we add our lime juice. Mix this all up until everything is well combined and then give it a taste test. This is so good. It's just right. It's already perfect, but if you like it a bit more sour, you can add lime juice. This got me drooling so bad. So let's go in. Wow, it's so powerful. This leads with sour, next is spicy, then you have the sweet and then the salty. This is just how I had it back in Thailand. You know those stalls, the seafood stalls at the side of the road? This is how we have it. This dipping sauce works well with any kind of protein. Whether it be chicken, seafood, beef, you name it, you should definitely try it with this seafood dipping sauce.